Okay, howdy folks. I'm back working on the 45 horsepower 4 Mercury 400, and I got her put back together. Got the carbs cleaned, lower unit inspected, new water pump. Now the test start. Okay, ready? Whew. A lot of snot. Except for the goddamn recoil always sticking. Sounds pretty good. Quite happy. Yep. Get it on the old boat and see what you can do. And still might need another carb cleaning. Kind of doesn't sound like it's running on both, so. But I really like how it sounds. It's high revin, four-cylinder dual carb for the year of it. It's way advanced for sure. You know, 1960s. I guess the guy that was designing this was designing race car engines before. So Merc seems to be a pretty good motor, and it was pumping pretty good, the water. So oh yeah, perfect. Right on. Check out my website. The old Merc 45 horsepower is up and running. Check out my website, www.ratsleds.com. And from there, go to the message board. See, the reason I got it all strapped in there is because I did test it before, and you can see the silicone on my tested barrel, and you can see the what's strapped down to the motor mount here is it ripped my barrel right apart, this goddamn thing. When I first started it, it just took right off and jumped into gear, and holy cow, man, it was water everywhere all over me. And it's a high revving engine, that's for sure. Right on. Take care, folks. Bye.